Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at how you can use MoneyBox. In order to do so, here we are at moneyboxapp.com. And what is MoneyBox all about? The means to get more out of life. Open a competitive cash ISA, save for your first home with the UK's biggest lifetime ISA provider, invest for the future with a stocks and shares ISA, join over 1.5 million customers today and build wealth with confidence. Capital at risk, all investing should be long-term, ISA and tax rules apply. And if you want to get started, you can come here and click on get started, or you can download it on the App Store. You can get it on Google Play as well. All your financial goals, one simple app. Get started from as little as £1. Choose from a range of options and let us be your guide. Join over 1.5 million people getting more out of life with MoneyBox. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you check out our YouTube playlist on Sintra, it'll give you everything you need to know. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, if you take a look at Simply Financial, if you're looking for an online bank, if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.